All right, thank you, Mickey. Well, we have a special treat today. We are cooking live with Shelia Brown. Thank you for being with us
Thank
today.
you for having me.
So you cook live on Facebook, right?
I do, yes.
So our viewers who may not have seen it, tell us what you do, and do you do it at a certain time on Facebook each day?
Well, just any time I have a good dish that I think that's something that people will be interested in, it's wholesome, it's great, I post it on Facebook.
I love that.
Yes.
And I want to mention Shelia, S-H-E-L-I-A.
Yes.
So not any other spelling.
Right.
All right, so let's get started with the chicken pot pie. Tell us how we get started.
Well, with my homemade chicken pot pie, you can do this many ways. You can do all fresh, like you cut your carrots, your peas, or your onions up, or you can do prepackaged, fresh, and homemade. So this edition is going to be all three.
Okay, I like it.
So first, what I do, I cook my chicken, I boil it, and I season it. And these are the ingredients that I season with here that you see. I boil it in warm water. That's very important. And then once you drain it and debone your chicken, which I use chicken breast.
Okay.
You're going to spread this into your dish.
Okay.
Now for a little extra flavor, which I do like a little extra flavor, I may sprinkle just a little more of my garlic salt on here.
Okay. Can't go wrong with that.
Can't go wrong with that. It also brings the flavor out in your chicken. Now, next I will layer with fresh onions.
Okay.
Onions bring out the flavor of anything. Just lay it on here, just like this.
All right.
So you got your fresh, which is the chicken that I say you boil in your water with your ingredients, and then you're going to lay your fresh onions on top.
Okay.
Okay, now the meaty part is going to be our ingredients on the inside.
Okay.
So this is the prepackaged part, which you can use fresh vegetables if you want to cut them up, or shortcut. 2 cans of veg oil, which is going to be drained.
Okay.
And then we're going to use 1 can of cream of celery.
Okay.
Just dump that in there.
I love it.
And 2 cans of cream of chicken soup.
I think the prepackaged is my way to go.
Well,
as a busy mom.
It's easy, right. When you're coming in from work and you got to cook something good for the kids and the hubby, this is a good recipe that can go a long way.
Okay.
So we're going to give this a good stir.
All right.
Just mix this up really, really good.
We have about a minute and a half left, and so we will
spread this on top.
Okay.
Just like this. And when you get it nice and spread and even, your crust is what the most important, delicious part.
And this is homemade too, right?
Yes, this is homemade. So this is 1.5 cups of flour.
Okay.
With equal amounts of milk, 1.5 cups. And then 3/4 cups of mayo.
Okay.
Any kind of mayo would do. And we're just going to whip that up real good. And once you whip it up really good, you're going to pour this on your chicken pot pie.
Ah, okay.
This is your crust.
And you were also saying that you could do that prepackaged if you needed to.
Yes, you can if you like.
But homemade's good.
Homemade's always better.
And what do we, how long do we cook it, and what temperature?
We're going to bake this in the oven for 350 degrees, about 1 hour to 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Okay, and you have one already pre-made.
I do.
Do we want to pull it out now?
Yes, let's do that.
So she went ahead and made one. I'll step on this side. And so we'll show the finished product, and of course we'll wrap up too and let everybody taste it. Ah,
look at that beautiful crust.
Yes, I love it. Well, we are going to take a quick break, and then we're going to get the team back here to try it for the taste test. That's the real test.
Okay, great.
Shelia.